Hey guys, Trent here from How To Haven, back again with another quick tutorial, and today we are fixing error code 0x808610 or error code 0x80048504, depending on where you're trying to sign in with your Windows/Xbox account. And before we get into this, I just want to ask if this video does help you out today, please consider leaving a super thanks or just engaging in the video in any way, as it really does help me out. But let's get right into this one. So the first thing you want to do to fix this problem is hit the Windows key, type in updates, and go and check for updates and make sure you don't have any updates pending. If you do, that could easily fix your problem, so go ahead and do that. Also look for optional updates as well. I'm not going to do these right now because they're not relevant to this problem, but you might have something that is. And if you're up to date, we'll move on to the next step, which is to actually go to your file explorer here. Go to the local disk C here. Go to your user account. So mine is Trent, which is my name. Yours is going to be different. Double click into there, and then you want to go to appdata. If you don't have the appdata tab, I have a folder. I have a video to show you how you can get that, which I'll link in the description. Anyways, once you get to this point, you're going to go to local and go to packages down here. And then you want to look for the folder called Microsoft.WindowsStore _AW blah 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 blah. Looks just like this. Double click that. Oops. Double click that. And then go into local catch. And then you want to delete everything in this local catch folder. So I only have this, so I'm just going to go and delete that. Alright, once you've deleted that, close that out, and then you need to restart your computer for that to take effect. Go down here, and once you've restarted your computer, you should be able to sign in. Anyways guys, if this video helped you out today, you know what to do. Peace.